Let's try this matcha. So I'm in therapy. These times, like, you can feel a type of way and not know how to express how you feel. Once you hear somebody express how they feel, you're like, dang, like, that's how I be feeling. Like, I just don't know how to word it like how you did. Like, hey y'all, I am back. I'm back. And I'm back. It's pretty dark here. Let me open the window. Alright y'all, so today what I'm going to do, I have a list of things that I need to get. I'm taking my little siblings to Six Flags. After Six Flags, I have a list of things that I need to do. I'm trying to get everything done by 5 o'clock because Six Flags is right beside my school. I'm just gonna go to school, do some work, and wait for my sisters to call me when they're ready to leave. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, y'all. Let's get going because I told them we were leaving the house at 5. I mean, we're leaving the house at 4, and it is... I think I need a new camera. And y'all, I'm really trying to clean my room today. I've been saying I'm gonna clean my room today like for 2 weeks, ever since my party, because I need a clean room, a clean environment, because these decorations are in these boxes, and when these boxes are here, I just throw my clothes right on top. And look at my bed. A mess. Like, ew, how can somebody live in this type of environment? Y'all don't want to see my closet. Y'all want to see my closet? My closet is a walk-in closet. It's no longer a walk-in closet. You can't walk in my closet because it's so crowded and dusty. Like, Papa, do better. Okay, y'all, let's go. I gotta take my other battery because this one be dying so quick. Like, I don't know if it's the batteries that I got. Like, I don't know what the heck is going on with these freaking batteries. Like, they're so dumb. They die too quick, and it's just like, why are you dying so quick? I barely even used you. You guys, it is real life. I'm trying to show you guys the weather. It's not loading. It's legit not loading. I need some Starbucks. I've been really trying to get matcha for like the longest. Yesterday I tried to get matcha, and they was talking about something. We don't have matcha. How don't y'all have matcha? What? Okay, y'all, but it's hot outside. It's not loading. I don't know why the heck it's not loading. I really don't know why it's not loading. Let me check this out. It's not loading either. It's too hot outside. They broke the weather app. It smells like eggs outside.
It really does.
Because they were frying eggs. Guys, it is so warm outside. It feels so good. The bees and wasps and everything are out. All of that is out. If these kids don't hurry up, they're getting left. That's not funny. They let my dog run out the house. They realized left my dog out the house. She went running. Are you serious? Alright, so y'all can't see me, but I just dropped my siblings off at Six Flags. They're on the phone, so I'm watching them walk because they didn't let me go in to like the closer parking so I could walk them in. So I'm on the phone with them, making sure they get to their destination safe. I'm about to go to Starbucks, and then I'm just gonna go to school and just get some work done. It's really hot outside. I just put the window up because I want y'all to hear me. It's super duper duper hot outside. Like, it's a good 80 something degrees out here. It's really hot. I will see you guys when I get to Starbucks. I'm gonna get that matcha because I've really been craving it. I've been wanting it for a while. Hey y'all, so I made it to Starbucks. I'll be real sad if they don't have the matcha. Thank you. They don't have matcha. They said they have to go to the one in Target to get some matcha today. So Target is not that far. Like, everybody wants the matcha. I'm telling y'all, the matcha is good. So we're about to go to Target so we can get some matcha. Because I'm getting my matcha today. That's all I know. If they don't have matcha, I'm just gonna get a refresher. But I'm not going to give up. Y'all hear my brakes? Do y'all hear my brakes? But my friend had got me a gift card for Starbucks for my birthday, so I'm now just using it. And I'm going to use it on matcha, nothing else. So we're trying Target now. Fingers crossed. I know they're gonna have matcha for me. They won't do me like that. They won't. Hi, how are you? Do you guys have the matcha?
Matcha, yeah.
Oh, thank God. I've literally been to like 4 Starbucks. Yay.
You want a monster doctor?
Yes, please.
You want it hot or cold?
What do you prefer?
Oh, I never even tried it.
Okay, can I get cold? It's too hot outside to be getting hot drinks.
Oh, you got to wait to play your way. Come on. Oh, you got my coffee? No. And sometimes I like to yeah, but I've been using the cake of Verona cake at home and I'm really hard. Why not? Why would Carjay let's go?
Okay, guys, so we're gonna have to do this quick because my camera is deciding to die. I need to charge my other battery. Ah! Where's the battery? There's no way I brought the charger with. Okay. I was about to say, there's no way I brought a charger without the battery to charge it. It's green. Okay. Let's try this matcha. It better be good because last time my best friend got me matcha, it was so good. So good. Even the ice cream, it was so good. It tastes like pistachios. I don't know if that's what it is, pistachios. Let me try to shake it up a little because I think I need some sweetener and need some sugar. It's not bad. It's not bad. It was good. It was alright. Could have been better. But okay, guys. Let's go. Okay, y'all. So I completely forgot that I had a group meeting today. The group meeting, it was like an appointment kind of. But it's like for anxiety. I got referred by my therapist to join. So I'm in therapy because of like anxiety and like my dad passing. So my therapist referred me to this one group that like she said it would be very helpful. This is my first day with it, I mean in the group, so I'm joining it and so far so good. Like it's kind of calm, but I think I'm the youngest honestly. But yeah, I muted my computer because you know it's confidential, can't do that. But yeah, so after when I'm done with my meeting, my group, I'm gonna come back and tell you guys how it was because I was actually looking really forward to this because it kind of makes you feel like you're not alone. But she's talking and I want to pay attention because yeah, I be talking about panic attacks and I be having panic attacks sometimes, like it be coming, but she's talking about it. So I'll get to you guys later. I almost finished my matcha. It leaves like a weird taste in your mouth, like it's mostly ice right now. I'm gonna get back to it. I'm gonna show y'all what it was on the screen right now. Yeah. And I think this one ends at 6:30, so I have a little bit more time. So I'm just gonna be chilling and taking notes for real. I could really just take notes. Okay, bye guys. Okay y'all, so I'm done with my group. And I'm just waiting for my little sisters to call me and tell me that they're ready to go. The group was actually calm. I shared, even though today was my first day. I think I did a good job. I told them about my accident. Since the topic was panic attack, that was my first time having like a panic attack. Like I had a panic attack for like the entire time up until I got home. Just thinking about the accident always gave me a panic attack. I got a therapist after my dad passed, and honestly it started helping. But then with my therapist, once you miss one appointment, it's really hard for you to get another appointment. So I had missed an appointment after my like third or fourth one with her, and I didn't see her for like about 6 months. And I was just like, dang, like what if I actually need you? But she was really like trying to squeeze me in. She also got me into this group like really quick. But honestly, nobody really be talking about mental health, and I feel like that's a problem because mental health is serious. It's a serious topic and nobody really be talking about it. Some people are scared to get therapy or scared to ask their parents because honestly, I feel like I wanted to start therapy before even my dad had passed. But I'm grateful that I have it now. I feel like I'm older and I know how to express my emotions better than if I would have gotten it when I was younger. It helps talking about your feelings, it really does. But honestly, I don't think like you have to go through like losing a parent or a spouse or a friend just to get therapy, because I feel like people go through things and they just don't know who to talk to about like these people actually went to school they studied emotions, they studied how to resolve problems, like how to be there, like how to face your fears and all that stuff. Like, I feel like they're the right person to go to, and they can't tell your business. And like these friends y'all be going to and telling y'all business, and they be going to tell their other friends about their business. I mean, they be going to their other friends to tell them about your business. Legally, these therapists cannot do that stuff. And then the groups, I'm actually really happy that my therapist put me in a group, because it makes me feel like, okay, my feelings are not abnormal. It was 40 people in this group, so I'm just like, okay, all these people, they're also feeling the same way I be feeling sometimes. And it's good to hear about how other people deal with like their anxiety or like their traumas and stuff, because sometimes like you could feel a type of way and not know how to express how you feel. But once you hear somebody express how they feel, you're like, dang, like that's how I be feeling. Like, I just didn't know how to word it like how you did. Like, it's good. So tap into that, or find like a coping mechanism, but find something that eases your mind when your mind is not at ease. I'm actually really happy I joined this group. My first day in this group was really good. I got a lot of information for it to be an hour and 30 minutes. I really got a lot of information that I'm gonna read over, take some notes. I didn't have my pen, so I couldn't take notes on my book. So yeah, I just feel like nobody really be talking about mental health. Therapy really helps. It does. I just rapped a lot, but I'm about to go to Target again. Like, I literally went to Target to get my matcha, and I forgot to get my oatmeal soap. Look at these girls. Hey guys. So the thing is, so we're at Target. I'm about to come get some snacks for Dream and my oatmeal soap, because yeah, I said it like a million times. Okay, so I'm looking for, let me ask her. Excuse me, where would like the soaps be? Like, I'm looking for like oatmeal soap. It's called like Ivan's. Hold on, let me show you this one.
Oh, say I?
Yeah. Huh?
$8.39.
Okay, thank you. So this is the one that they were saying to get, oatmeal soap. I don't know what it does to the skin, but everybody always says helps. So Dream eats a lot, and I think it's because she don't be having snacks in between. So I'm about to get her some snacks, some treats, so she can be eating and not be as hungry as she always is. So I'm gonna get her these. Actually, I'm gonna get her the fun size ones. The more the better, right? Tiny ones. And then I'm gonna get something else. There's another brand people always talk about, because she only likes like chicken flavor stuff. I'm gonna get her this too. Training treats. I feel like this is gonna last a long time too. Y'all gave Dream one of her treats. Now she keep following me. So since we're back, not too late, we gonna clean up this room, this messy room. All right, y'all, so I'm about to go shower with the soap and see if it helps. If it does, I'll tell y'all. But we're not going to sleep until this room is cleaned. Like, this is unacceptable. I gotta take those boxes out of my room because I don't have no space. I gotta put my table back, put my elephant back on this table. Like, my room got to be clean. So we're gonna clean my room. We're gonna clean my room together, because we're all in this together. Once we know who we are. What's up, guys? I'm back out the shower. Feel fresh and clean, because it's like I got home and my room got messier. Like, I don't know. I don't really know. I'm gonna take these boxes out of my room first. That's what we're gonna do first.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall, that ass is still amazing. Playing, babe. Saying, baby. Love it, just know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Get to taking that off me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the plug, I made the cup green. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just like you will. Well, come through and chill. Just like you will.
Shit, that's a good song.
Come through and chill.
Coach, can I tell us some shit? In case my lack of reply had you catching them feelings. Know you been on my mind like Kaepernick kneelings, or police killings, or Trump saying slick shit, manipulating poor white folks because they ignorant, blind to the struggles of the